do, guys? It's your boy Omar Sahor, and we are back in Omeezys Kitchen, guys. It is the 6th episode of Omeezys Kitchen. First month and 2 videos in. It's going pretty crazy, man. But it's a journey that I am going to keep on going through. What I got for you guys today, we're still in American month. Last week I had the chicken burger. This week, what you guys will get will be a bagel burger. And American all-time favorite. And yeah, but if you guys have got any questions, just hit me up. You hear me twitching sometimes. That's because I speak 3 fluent languages, and you know, between transitioning into one another, thinking into one another, vice versa, and all of that. Yeah, you get the point. But yeah, guys, tune in. So guys, for this season, for this meat, this mincemeat, I will use some Maggi, like you always use. I will use some paprika. I will use some vegetable seasoning and a little bit of lime juice, and add some pepper, and that's it, guys. So guys, you got your mincemeat, and just make some patties. I'll just take like a handful, or like a handful and a half. Basically, just make your patties. Guys, all we're gonna do now is take these patties and throw them into a burger, into this fryer over here. I'm just going to do 3 at a time. So guys, avocado and tomato will be the only toppings for my bagel burger. I'll add some lettuce on there maybe as well, but that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, a very simple dish today. So guys, you've just finished the 6th episode of Omeezys Kitchen. Thank you for tuning in, guys. If you liked what you're seeing, guys, please subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. Please hit the notification bell so you get notifications when I am in Omeezys Kitchen. But guys, thank you. Catch you guys next week.